Good morning. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do a quick walk around video for you guys on our 22 Porsche 911 992.1 GTS that we have on Bring a Trailer this week. Ends in a couple days. I've had some questions about condition, flaws, that sort of thing. All the flaws on this car, on the exterior of this car, are all in the PPF. And I'll show you what I found. There is one little area here. Let's see. Right here, where some dirt has gotten under the PPF and it's not exactly stuck down. That you can see. There's also an area right here. I don't know if you can see it right there, that a stone has hit. It is deflected, done its job. There's also two more of those here. I don't know if you can see them. Right there is one, and right here is another. Do you see this blemish? That is in the PPF. It is not through to the paint. There were also some scuff marks down here in the low. It just was an area that didn't get waxed, or wax was still on the car. So those are fine. The PPF includes the mirror caps. It is just halfway up the hood and fenders. You can maybe see that line there. There. We can get the winner a quote if you'd like to replace that. It's not a problem. It's still, fresh PPF, so it'll come off without too many issues. But it's nice to see that it is doing its job, and that's what it's there for. The other area that shows some wear is the little place where your feet might catch on this plastic right here. This piece can be ordered and replaced. And if someone is real persnickety, they might want to do that. It's not an expensive piece. We can help with that as well. Last time I did one, I think it was $100. But the wheels are all in great shape. Tires are fresh. Awfully nice car. Absolute blast to drive. This is a slick top car, no sunroof. And yeah, guys, just gorgeous in GT silver, and just a fantastic performer as well. So if you have any other questions, please reach me in the comments. I will get right on those. And yeah, guys, we end in a couple days. Happy bidding. I'll talk to the winner soon.